but it ain't a crime. For a second, I thought I saw blood because my period, she has no manners, honey.
Come on.
I was trying all the way around, like, ooh, man. Alright guys, so tonight is like girls' night out, which is pretty cool. So they ordered like a limousine, even with accent. Them add on a limousine. So it's so cold outside. So Brianna same reach, so we'll go to him now. Me cool bar. Cool bar. Him not happen. Jana, this is so sexy. Oh, look at the wheels. I'm a sucker for a really good car. Look it. What? Everybody's phone is out. That's the attitude. Hi. Ooh, look at her. Look, the door is up. The door is up. What is this? It's a Chrysler? Guys, that's a Chrysler, yes? Ooh, let's go inside, shall we? Let's go all the way. Ooh, oh yes, ma'am. Yes,
The water's because there's a hole that drains out the bottom.
Oh,
So if you spill anything, just pour it in there because I wash it out at night.
yo, this is so cool. People really do this in a real life.
Decorate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And them take it serious.
Yeah, my neighborhood is like tricked out. They're
Wow.
like super into it.
This is so nice. You ready? Yeah. Want some gin? This is so cool. Yes, guitar, come on. Oh, baby daddy. Gas station. Getting all kinds of cute liquor. I don't know. Cold Jesus whipped. Cold bud man. Jesus God. There's like a bunch of people there. I wonder how all the other houses feel. Just crowd. There's a legit crowd. Because look at Brianna. It is so good. This, I say, I put it on them light bill now because I'm not this right here. And all I give me a picture and I give me no look of deposit for my little light bill. Can't work. Cannot work. This is so cool. So good. This is so much. Donations.
I have curly
Appreciate it. Yes, give some money. It's a lot of money to run all these.
I like your nails.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. too. She likes my nails. Yay. Guys, this is the morning after last night's festivities. It was so good. We were drinking wine, by the way. Oh, you guys did see that. My face along here has broken out so badly, and it's just along here, and I don't even know what caused it. I don't even know what caused it. So last night was really good. It was amazing. It was my first time meeting half the people there, but just the energy, the vibe, the conversations, it was just so good. It was too good. So I'm gonna catch up about my ear. When we seen the lights on the homes last night, I was just like, whoa. That we don't have that in Jamaica, where we don't have that where I live in Jamaica. So that was an amazing experience to see the lights. And like that last one that we went to that had snow, I was just like, what is this? It was amazing. It was really fun. It was cool. So they're like 2 hours behind Jamaica, and I'm low-key trippy every single time because I know what time it is. So my body gets hungry at a certain time. I'm like, crap, it's 11 o'clock. When I look at the time, it's like 9. I'm like, it's too early to eat here. It's, oh man, my body is not used to it. Like, no, it's after 5, but in Jamaica it's after 7. So I've been like, in my mind, I've been oversleeping. Okay guys, so this is wedding next day in Phoenix, Arizona, and yeah, so I'm trying not to vlog too much on my phone because the space fills up really quickly. So the most I can get is for like a 12-minute video. So yeah.
I had amazing service.
Bruh, they are so nice. So guys, is it labeled? Oh, Dutch Bros, great. So this is Dutch Bros, right? And bruh, did you know this was free? This large coffee was free. That guy, you don't know if you can see him. Oh, dag nabbit. You can't. Dag. Oh, there he is, kind of, sort of. There. Thanks, Brianna. So yeah, him, because you know I'm visiting, and so him asked me, I want to say, well, I don't know. I mean, I talk about him. I said, boy, I don't know, but I want something sweet with caramel. Let me say, yo, I'm like the caramel drizzle. I'm like, I didn't cool. Him say, I want the large. I'm like, I don't know how much of the large. He's like, no, it's fine, it's on me. I'm like, what is on you? And must like the drink. I'm like, bruh. He's like, yeah, it's your first time. I want you to enjoy it. I'm like, bruh. No man has ever said that to me before. This is my first time. He wants me to enjoy it. I'm just like, sir, not now, okay? This is shit, you guys. It says flush and frenzy. Push the plunger till the poop comes. What is wrong? Why is the shit so happy? And what did he eat? Why is it so? What is? Look at there's skid marks. She's so happy that she got that shit out. He's like, oh my god, let me hold you. Let me hold you, Mr. Shit. Why is this happening to me? We're leaving Dee Dee's, and I have 2 bags full of stuff. Every time I go like to somewhere, I make sure I get something for the boys. So now Jonathan gonna tell me, say over the soda. That's all. The over the soda? Yeah. Jonathan gonna tell me, say, tell me I'm buy one monster truck for Jaleel. So I'm buying for Jaleel. Say, no, it's not for Jaleel, it's for me. I'm like, oh, whatever. So I'm buying one monster truck something. Where you see right there, so. And then, bro, me get some clothes, girl. $5, $7. I say, no, girl, we have to do this. So there is church tomorrow night at Ryan's church, Christmas Eve thingy. So I got this cute like yeah, I can sit down with it bad. And then I buy this dress. What tear the on? I go to the next side to rat it $4 feet. I say, yeah, girl, give me it. So that was pretty cool. So Dee Dee's for the win.
Tripods
We're engineering. So I got these 2 pair of tights, and this was for $7. Well, $8, $7.99. So 2 of them. I did some that type, but I'm gonna wear one of them here. Wait, let me see if the blouse in this. In this. But anyway, yeah, that. Then to the 2 truck here, I'm gonna get for Jonathan. Them 2 truck here. That one here are for $6.49. So I could call this $7. Them 2 a trip. Oh, and I can interchange them. That's so cool. So yeah. So I really 2. So these 2, then the bottom 2, I can switch out like the color, the top height. So yeah. And then this is the bridge dress. I'm telling you, tear. Wait, they see there? The side of tear. So good, I go just tear out the next side. Wait there. Tear the next side because how much feet? $4 or $3 something. So it was like $4 and I run it off. And then we get mask. The mask here. Something I put in the car, stick it in the car. And then I buy one little planner. One little planner was just simple for have in my bag. So cause I forget things now. Like easily. So if I have this, if it's small enough to hold in my bags, then I'll be a bit more accountable, you know. So that's how that. Then it's a blood cleanse. Mama sure no. I buy them boots here for how much? $19. Girl. Well, Brianna said they don't last, but hey, it's $19.
They don't last? That's
yeah,
not what I said?
yeah, Jen said that the shoes in DD's don't last. That's what Jen said. So yo, bad no blood cleanse. And I go with this with the tights on my shoulder, and then I'm showing which top. I got probably this is the so this is the top. It's like black girl magic, black girls, black lives matter. So that, and this will be for $5. This is $4 something. $5. Good vibes only. Like this top is a hoodie too, and then they get one next hoodie something. I never 2 anyway. Yes, okay, no, so yeah. And then this is the next hoodie I'm gonna get. One regular plain hoodie, and this one black one. Yo, Didi is the clutch, bro. And then we get the whoa, and then one here D for $13.90 something. So this was probably we could call it $14. Bruh, 2 pair of shoes for under $5,000, girl. Because that's how I think. Like Jamaican money, like under $5,000. That's not bad. That's not bad. And one of my heels, that don't bad. That don't bad at all goods. So that's everything I'm gonna do when I get from DD's. So like them boots here now, I'm gonna wear with the dress them. Well, I have 2 dress. Finish?
Huh?
You done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. So that's when my dress later, then I show you what else. Like I'm gonna show you how it look when I get dressed and stuff later. So that for the DD's all good people. But I high-key love this hoodie, and I'm so wearing this tomorrow to church. I'm with her. Yeah, I'm with
too. I'm with her. She's buying. Okay.
That's good. That's pretty good. Dahlia really smell nice, you know.
Yeah, these are so good.
Yeah, Dahlia smell nice. Yeah.
But they don't have
The body wash. Rotted. Maybe.
they have the regular body wash.
That not smell like the same thing?
It smells the same thing, but the other one is like moisturizing
Oh, okay.
body wash. So it's like this. It's moisturizing body wash.
Yeah.
But they just have the shower gel. I still want to go out and have
Food, yeah. Alright, so we're not going to be at Zupa's, so we're going to see where else we're going to go for lunch. I'm vlogging. I went. It's a whole dog just walking around.
Yeah, it's just the normal. It's the normal burger. Yeah.
I mean, you're coming out, so
Sure.
that one's got pepper jack.
sweet. And it tastes like lemonade.
So he so he's like a
It's really
Starry
nice.
Nights with sparkling
It's
lights.
really nice. Guys, so it's Thursday. Oh, my lashes. Thursday, and I'm watching Netflix. I'm watching a baking show.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful sponge. I would like a little more sauce.
The look of it is fantastic.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go now. I really want to take this wig off my head. Wash it, deep condition it, you know, get some more life, and then put it back on. I'm gonna reach Jamaica, but I have like 3 or 4 more wigs that I love to wear. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to y'all in the next vlog. Bye guys.